Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect to Dodge Durango Bluetooth. First, make sure your Durango is parked safely to avoid distractions. Next, grab your mobile phone and ensure its Bluetooth is activated and set to discoverable mode. Then, navigate to the Uconnect system on your vehicle's touchscreen. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and successful connection, allowing your phone to be recognized by the vehicle's system. Now let's pair your phone. On the Uconnect screen, tap the phone icon. You'll then see an option to pair device or add device. Select that. Your Uconnect system will generate a 4-digit PIN. Make sure this PIN matches the one displayed on your phone's screen. Confirming this code on both devices is a vital security step, ensuring you connect to the correct vehicle. To finalize the connection, your Uconnect system might ask for permission to access your phone's contacts and messages. Grant these permissions for full functionality. You can also set your phone as the primary device, so it automatically connects each time you enter the vehicle. Finally, test the connection by making a hands-free call or playing some audio through the system to ensure everything is working perfectly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your phone and the Uconnect system often resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old, unused devices from your Uconnect's memory to prevent conflicts. For more specific guidance, your Durango's owner's manual is an excellent resource, providing detailed instructions tailored to your vehicle's model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.